Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Nature video today. This is an Australian Little Falcon, also known as the Hobie, if I'm pronouncing its name correctly. Really impressive little bird of prey. They like to, whoops-a-daisy, they like to catch their prey on the wing, so other small birds and insects, they'll frequently catch them mid-flight and then go up in a tree and eat them. So yeah, in the autumn time we have a lot of migrating birds moving through Canberra, and then the little falcons will go up on a high point and they'll keep an eye out for migrating birds and then they'll pick them off. So yeah, really clever and highly agile bird of prey. Really nice to see. Got some beautiful evening light falling on it right now. Sorry I haven't posted any videos for a few weeks. I've just been really busy, but hopefully I'll put up some more videos in the next few weeks. Okay, God bless you everyone. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.